my gorgeous people, it's Neek. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this delicious detox fruit punch. It's Dr. Sebi approved and it's an alkaline vegan juice. The best part is you do not need a juicer for this recipe. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, loves. Sorry for the background noise. My animals are acting like toddlers today. So if you hear a few barks and meows, it's nothing. I don't run a zoo here, but you might think that. But anyways, let's get started with this recipe. We're going to be using a strainer, a bowl. You will need a blender, and I use the organic blue agave, but you could use any type of agave that you like. Then we're going to want to use a pitcher as well. A big pitcher will be preferred because this recipe calls for about 6 to 8 cups of this alkaline detox juice. So we're going to use a cup of each one of these fruits, and these are frozen fruits. I suggest for you to get organic ones if you can, because organic is the best option when it comes to being completely alkaline. It's the best option either way. So we're going to do a cup of cherries, a cup of blueberries, a cup of peaches, and again, these are all frozen. Then the last fruit that you're going to want to add is strawberries. So a cup of strawberries, and you will put all of those frozen fruits into your blender. Now you're going to add a half a cup to 1 cup of agave to the frozen fruits inside of the blender. Now you're going to add your 2 cups of spring water to the blender as well, and you're going to mix this up for about 30 seconds or until everything is blended pretty well. After your fruits are completely blended, you can start pouring it into the pitcher using the strainer to strain all of the seeds and pulp from the fruits. The last step will be to add your mixture, your ice, and the last 4 cups of water into a large pitcher and stir. So this recipe calls for 6 cups of water total. Once you add everything in your pitcher, you stir it and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you guys would love to see more content like this in the future, please feel free to send me a message or a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and you can follow me on Instagram at peacewithneek. Also check out some of the recommended books that I have in the description and visit peacewithneek.com. Enjoy the rest of your day, stay beautiful, and remember to always drink your water. Love y'all, bye!